Hey guys, welcome to REG TV. My name is Chad, and today you guys are going to be going along with me on a fountain installation. Right now I'm standing in our beautiful fountain garden located at Rare Earth Gallery in Cave Creek, Arizona. Rare Earth Gallery has the largest selection of fountains in the valley and hands down the premier source of beautiful water features. If you're looking to replace an old water feature or implement a new one, come and see us. We can help you create the space of your dreams. We're here at the job site right now. Today we're going to be installing this black zebra onyx fountain. This onyx is from central Mexico. It's a beautiful display of natural history. The banding, the calcite, everything running through it creates a very graphic pattern. It's a beautiful piece. Today we're going to be craning it into its space. We're going to be picking it up with a crane. The rigging is going to stand it upright. We're going to crane it over the house, and we're going to set it down on its water basin to get hard water line. So this is the installation site. Right now we're pulling out the travertine tiles, digging the hole for the basin. Earlier in the week we ran the hard water line underneath the travertine, so that's all set up. So right now we're digging the hole. This is where the basin's gonna go.